Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones EDIFIER W830NB. To make a hard reset you should press and hold volume up button and volume down button for at least 5 seconds. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, click on your headphones at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!